Welcome to Health and You. And thanks for huge response on our previous videos. Today we are going to discuss about one more revolutionary product for weight loss, that is Black Latte. At the current moment, you can purchase the authentic Black Latte at a 50% discount. Quantities are limited, so go to the description of this video and select your country. Now let's talk about the Black Latte. Extra weight is one of the most annoying problems of different people regardless of their age, social status, country, gender, etc. Moreover, carrying many extra kilograms is associated with a range of serious risks for health. Unfortunately, physical activities and dieting do not always work quickly and effectively for everyone, and that is why people need to use additional products and methods to facilitate the weight loss process. Among lots of the solutions available today for weight loss, Black Latte is one of the most effective and tasty products that can be used by everyone. Initial information on Black Latte. The Black Latte, also known as the charcoal latte, is now one of the hottest, healthiest drinks. If you use it, you will enjoy the fantastic taste as well as lots of health benefits. It is a mix of coffee and activated coal, which effectively adsorbs fat as well as a range of undesired elements in your body, including poisons, toxins, heavy metals, and others. As a result, you lose weight quicker and feel more energy. Moreover, it helps in the production of dopamine, which is one of the happiness hormones. There are also other ingredients that also improve your health conditions and contribute to weight loss. One of the best things about Black Latte is that it does not require efforts to lose extra kilograms. You just need to use it instead of your regular coffee, and that is all. Usually, it is enough to dissolve 2 tablespoons in a glass of water. Drink it twice a day for better results. How to make the drink at home. If you have time and desire, you can make this drink at home. There are lots of different recipes that you can find on the internet, and one of them is provided below. Ingredients: 250 milliliters milk. Depending on your taste, it can be coconut, almond, or soca. 2 capsules of coconut palm-based charcoal. You can get it in pharmacies or organic shops. Cocoa powder for decorating. 1 teaspoon honey or agave syrup. Directions: place charcoal capsules into a cup and pour the hot milk over it. Add in a dash of cocoa for decoration. Add the honey, agave syrup just to make it sweet enough. Is Black Latte popular? The popularity of Black Latte keeps increasing day by day because people love losing some weight while enjoying a wonderful drink, which tastes like a coffee in Spain. Moreover, it has become one of the trends in coffee houses all over the world. Today, you can purchase Black Latte to enjoy the drink every time you want without any problems. It is very convenient because you do not have to purchase ingredients and you can carry a sachet of Black Latte with you and use it whenever you want. So what are you waiting for? Go to the description and order your Black Latte today, and thanks for watching.